Airseal Products is a unique range of tyre sealants which can be used to treat machinery and vehicles for both on- and off-road environments. Our revolutionary technology ensures immediate and instant safety from up to 95% of tyre punctures by practically eliminating tyre underinflation and slow air leaks. Our technology is unmatched by any other tyre sealant, as we are able to seal punctures in tyre treads of up to 30 millimeters. This means our tyre sealant can save you money by reducing downtime and ensuring there is less idle labour. The use of the sealants will also help to maintain a constant air pressure, which will allow us to extend the life of your tyres and increase your fuel economy. Installing Airseal is easy. Once the sealant has been installed through the valve stem and operating air pressure replaced, the tyre then rotates, allowing the product to spread evenly over the inside surface. The moment a puncture occurs, the air pressure in the tyre forces millions of fibre particles and fillers to interlock, preventing any further air loss. Microscopic aramid fibres form the backbone of our sealant. The stronger the fibres, the stronger the tyre repair. These are state-of-the-art synthetic fibres which lodge in the puncture to form an effective airtight plug. Our heavy-duty sealant is designed for on- and off-road use and is also suitable for both tubed and tubeless tyres, offering protection by plugging holes up to 15 millimeters. Having supplied our premium sealant since the year 2000, we are dedicated to customer satisfaction and we offer worldwide distribution. So you can see why millions of tyres have been treated with Airseal to help save the user money and to improve safety. If you would like to find out more, please visit our website, Airseal Products. It just works.